Oh man, this is what happens when you put thin residential coatings on outdoor wood, outside wood, exterior wood. Look at this. That gets hit by this thing, the sun. This is also what happens when you have a painter, one of the local pack that doesn't exclusively do decks, come out and paint your deck with one of these thin residential coatings. They're not trained in the cleaning process. They don't understand how clean wood actually has to be coated, and they don't know how to condition it. This is the difference right here. Thick build industrial elastomer. That's what my company uses, Kong Armor. We're able to go over and encapsulate and lock down peeling deck coatings that are thin, residential coatings that just were never going to protect your deck in the first place. Okay, now look at the difference in this deck. Look at the thick build elastomer from the peeling deck paint that was just on this to how beautiful it is now. What a transformation. Beautiful. KongArmor.com. Get a quote for your deck today.